Hey there, for today's activity, we'll be working on shapes together. Let's try squares. You'll need colors. This says how many squares did you color? Let's count and write how many with a black marker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 squares. That's a lot of squares that we colored. Great job working on squares, everyone. I'm so excited to see you next time when we work on triangles.